Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Ela Ada. Ghee 1 tablespoon, coconut 1 cup, grated coconut, jaggery half cup, roast on low flame until jaggery melts. Mix everything. Jaggery melts, moist mixture. Keep aside. Rice flour 1 cup, roast on low flame. Turns aromatic. Rice flour roasted. Cool completely. Water 1 cup, boil for 3 minutes. Boiling water. Mix well. Kneaded dough. Grease hands. Soft non-sticky dough ready. Banana leaf. Apply ghee. Ball size dough. Flatten gently. Slightly thin thickness. Stuffing. Seal the sides. Repeat the process. Place in a steamer. Steam for 15 minutes. Steam it well. Ela Ada is ready for festival seasons. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Traditional delicious Ela Ada. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.